Hello, today we are going to talk about advances in Industry 4.0 in Mexico. Is presented by Dulce María González González, José Javier Navarrete Ruiz, Gary Elizalde Marcial, and Jesús González Becerril.
Industrial Revolution in Mexico. The Industrial Revolution in Mexico refers to the process of economic, technological, and social transformation that occurred in the country in different periods, included by global industrial revolutions. Although Mexico was not a pioneer in industrialization, each stage of the Industrial Revolutions had a significant impact on its economic development. First Industrial Revolution in Mexico. During this period, Mexico was under Spanish colonial rule. The economy was agrarian and mining with light industrial infrastructure. Although some modernization efforts were made after independence in 1821, political instability prevented significant progress. Second Industrial Revolution in Mexico. Mexico underwent significant modernization with railroad construction and electrification, foreign investing boosting the mining and the textile industry. However, this increased social inequality, which was key factor in the outbreak of the Mexican Revolution. Third Industrial Revolution in Mexico. After the Mexican Revolution, Mexico experienced the Mexican Miracle, a period of industrialization and economic growth. However, the crisis of the 1980 and the significance of NAFTA in the 1994 shifted the focus towards trade liberation of the integration with the United States economy, especially in sectors such as automotive and electronics industries.
That are integrating into Industry 4.0 in Mexico. The impact of Industry 4.0 in Mexico is a reality that is unfolding day by day, influencing the way companies connect and operate with the economic ecosystem. The integration of advanced technologies such as the Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, and robotics is transforming traditional business models and sectors. Automotive manufacturing sector. Industry 4.0 has had a significant impact on the automotive sector in Mexico. Factories are adopting advanced technologies to improve production efficiency and quality. In automotive plants of global companies installed in the country, such as Nissan, General Motors, and Volkswagen, IoT systems are used for real-time monitoring of assembly lines, allowing more precise control. Internet of Things, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and machine learning are enabling smart factory developments. These factories use advanced sensors and embedded software to collect and analyze data that improves decision making. Manufacturing sector. In the logistics sector in Mexico, Industry 4.0 is revolutionizing operations through the implementation of technologies such as the Internet of Things, big data analytics, and artificial intelligence. These innovations enable real-time traceability of shipments and route optimization, reducing costs and delivery times. Logistics companies in Mexico are using automated systems in warehouses, robots for inventory management, and digital platforms that integrate the entire supply chain. Technology sector (IT). By deploying hybrid multi-cloud IT infrastructures, enterprises can better manage their IT workloads. In addition, advanced analysis of data collected by sensors enables a real-time view of manufacturing status and facilitates predictive maintenance, minimizing unplanned downtime and improving productivity.
It is true that Mexico has many opportunities and potential to join Industry 4.0, but it is also faces different challenges such as training. In 2020, A study was carried out in which it was evaluated which world economy was best prepared to join Industry 4.0. This study focused on two factors. The first was to evaluate the potential of each country to export technology, and the second evaluate the human capital that each country had. Mexico proved to be an excellent country for exporting technology, but showed a deficit in its human capital. Another challenge is that only 1.5% of adults have the necessary skills to solve problems in technological environments. Another study conducted in 2018, led by Microsoft, evaluated the percentage of workers in the industry who had the necessary skills to implement artificial intelligence. The result was that only 14% of workers in Mexico have these skills compared to the United States, which had 33%. Another challenge is connectivity. Since in Mexico there are still 5.6 million people who do not have access to internet, which makes it difficult for them to enter the technological world. Until 2019, only 23% of pymes in Mexico had the solvency to migrate to new digital technologies, according to the site Towards an Industry 4.0 in Mexico, Potentials, Challenges and Needs. In the country, 44% of entrepreneurs say it is difficult to hire people with the skills they need, and 14% of young people do not feel ready to be in the current job market.
Current situation regarding Industry 4.0 in Mexico. In the case of Mexico, it is considered that in order to correctly adopt the challenges of Industry 4.0, the Ministry of Economy in 2018 points out four fundamental pillars of the challenges identified above: the Business Summit, which is the event where business leaders, heads of states, and foreigners meet, in 2016 proposed the following programs to promote Industry 4.0 in Mexico. On the other hand, Mexico has had achievements that led to the adoption of Industry 4.0, such as in education and training. In Nuevo León, 46 study plans were modified to include digitalization topics, training 500 engineers in skills relevant to Industry 4.0. Another of Mexico's achievements is due to its participation as a key player in the global automotive industry. In addition, in terms of trade, in Guanajuato, the Innovation and Design Center has, thanks to the implementation of IBM's Watson technology, the medical publishing company was able to transform itself into a leading entity in the management of health information. Mexico reached the 56th position in the Global Innovation Index in 2018. That will be all from our side. These are our reference, and thank you very much.